Guten Abend, Vienna. That's as much as my German goes. So as I was presented before, my name is Fred Gallo, and I'm the CEO of People. I'd like to start with that. Did you know that 73% of people are willing to change jobs if given the opportunity? But did you know that only 17% of those are actively applying for positions? And why is that happening? Well, candidate experience is the one to blame. It's basically not great right now. They have to face long bureaucratic forms that tell nothing about them. They also need to go to skill tests that not really show you as a professional, right? And also, every time you find a new job, you have to go through an online platform and register, and you almost always forget your password, right? Not to mention that most companies, they tend to neglect where really talented is, and they only focus on traditional channels, whilst they should be using the entire internet as their recruiting platforms. That's why People helps companies to attract, chat, and select the best candidates. And how do we do that? It's easy. We start with attraction. We use hyper-segmented ads on major social media. So let's say you're someone who just loves dog. You're a developer. Why not work at Dog Hero? After you click on the ad, you go to a chatbot that will sell you the employer brand. So you see that we also love dogs here. And we will have you to learn more about the company or apply straight to the job. Once you finish the interview with the chatbot, every profile is sent through an ATS, that's an applicant tracking system, where companies can use smart parameters to find the best suiting candidates based on what they have chatted with the chatbot. Our business model is quite simple. Every new position accounts for a new bot. That goes for 90 euros. That's for a whole month with unlimited intervals. If you want that position to keep running the next month, it's easy. You can just pay half the price and you stop it at any time. 1 month only, unlimited interviews. And if you want to boost that position and have more people in your talent pool, you can start campaigns with as little as 45 euros a week. And we have already proved that with that amount of money, you get enough qualified people. We have already recruited with major companies in Brazil, such as Itaú, the largest private bank in Brazil. We have chatted with over 17,000 people for Itaú only. We have done big work with Natura, Danone, Thomson Reuters. Those are the big names that actually made our product great in terms of technology. But then we wanted to make it great in terms of product and startup. That's why we moved towards smaller and lean startups where you can get more clients in and scale as a startup should. Our team is a senior team that is passionate about human behavior and technology. I have a strong background in branding, but we also have João Calisto and a guy named Kawasaki. Great, right? He's just in the team for that. Actually, he's a specialist in human behavior. It's great. And we also have Dirceu Belém, which is our CTO, specialized in NLP and AI. The total recruitment size in Brazil is actually huge. We're talking about 2.2 billion a year, with over 1 million formal positions opened every month. People's desired market for the first year is very down to earth. We're talking about 3,600 positions for the first year. They'll be able to reach break-even by September and then drive our growth as we should. Our next steps is to grow Hacker sales process, to enhance our chatbot's AI, to integrate campaign algorithms so that we can find candidates faster, and we also want to improve candidate UX. That's what we're in the game about. For that, we're asking for 120K. That will be closing in the first quarter of 2020. We believe people are key to the success of any organization. And we want to make recruiting smart, agile, effective, but mostly people-centered. Thank you.